Jack and Jeff here from Past and Present Motor Cars. We're out at the 4th annual Chevelle and Muscle Car Show here at Past and Present Motor Cars. You know, despite the weather, pretty
beautiful,
good.
Beautiful turnout.
Lots of nice cars, lots of people. A little bit of rain showed up, but you know what? We still had a great time.
Oh yeah, we're still having a great time.
That's right, still going on. Actually, the sun's out, beautiful day.
Yep.
We got some great cars behind us. Repacked the Chevelle showroom so you can actually walk through every car and join us for just a great day, a great video, and a lot going on here. So check it all out. What do you hope people walk away with after attending this?
I know what I hope they walk away with. First of all, obviously we'd love to sell cars, but they also get to see a side of us they probably don't know, and they get to meet us and they get to look at everything in person. And we're all about family.
What does it mean to you personally?
They were always awesome.
Yeah, they're all good.
When you see all of these people show up.
What's amazing is, we talk to people on the phone and maybe on Celly or the internet. When you actually have these shows, it's just amazing what a following we have.
It's true. I mean, this event is just a great event. We get to actually hang out at a car show with a lot of our happy customers. It's a lot of fun. We get to talk about cars, visit, like you said, about family, just hanging out, as opposed to working when people come to visit us.
And it's funny because people know me and I don't have a clue who they are, and I'm just a down-to-earth regular guy, so I'm like, wow, all these people actually know us?
That's a lot of fun. Great event. Great to just visit with everybody.
Last remarks from you guys?
My last remark is Jack never ceases to amaze me with these car shows. If only my drag race could be this big.
It's a lot of work. It's a lot of fun. We have a lot of help from the team, a lot of support from our families, as you mentioned. And it's always a great turnout at the Chevelle and Classic Car Show, our annual event. Thanks for watching. so much for coming out on our 4th annual car show. We appreciate it. The weather didn't do what we wanted today, but you can't control that, right? So we appreciate everything. We already know next year it'll be the first Saturday, which is October 3rd for our 5th annual, so we hope you'll join us there again. And it was a great event. We appreciate all your support. We actually moved some Chevelles, so that's a good thing too. And thank you again for just being here, supporting the vendors, supporting the team, and supporting the cause for breast cancer and everything else. So thank you. We appreciate it. And here's the awards.
Yeah, let's do the breast cancer first. Okay, it's a white pink ticket. You had to buy tickets for the raffle. 072518. Next one is 072540. 072542.
Third place will go to number 768, Victor Iannelli in a 67 GTO.
Yep, that's still here. Good.
First place goes to...
All right.
All right, thanks, Butch. Well, as we know, Steve Marbase was a big influence in the area. He used to visit here probably every single day, just about, after we opened Past and Present Motor Cars. So in honor of Steve Marbase, this is the 2nd annual Steve Marbase Memorial Award. His family came out earlier. They picked a car. It's very meaningful to him. He liked his Fords, so this winner is Ron with the red Ford Mustang right here, this direction. But Ron, this was selected by the family. They stopped by quickly earlier. They didn't have much time today.
Congratulations, Ron. Congratulations, everybody. Thank you for being with us on a less than perfect weather day. We'll be back out here in 1 year, October the 3rd. Keep that in mind. And until we meet again, happy trails to you.